Good morning, geographers. I hope everyone is feeling great today. I hope you did well on your economic vocabulary yesterday. That's 19 summative points. I just want to be really brief with you and get you started and focused for your hour of work today. So Friday is our last day of the trimester. So what does today hold? We need to use the time for your class today to catch up with anything you're missing or finish the things that are not yet complete. With Friday as the last day of the trimester, after that, I can't take any more assignments in. So we're at the rubber meets the road point, okay? In order to pass this class, you need to have 60%. You can do this even today. You can do this. Everyone can do this. I'm here to help you. And tomorrow we're going to launch our project for Country Project Part 3. So today you got to be really focused. Use your time in a wise and focused manner. So, Miss Kelly, what should I do? Step 1 is to go to Schoology and pull up your grades. Look at the summatives, okay? Write down the assignments that are missing or submitted and ungraded. So if you've submitted something and I have not graded it yet, you're going to want to write that down to let me know. Don't send me an email because I need to meet with each person to find out what I need to do, okay? So I have a list of the summatives that you should look back and make sure that you have completed and that you have the amount of points that you would like to have. The first is the front page news. That was the population dilemmas. That's worth 21 summative points. So if you haven't done that, even though it's too late to do it, it's not too late to do it. I want you to do it to get those points to pass. 2 is the personal migration story. You did an interview with one other person and told of your own and another person's migration story. Then you had to write a paragraph, 5 sentences, an intro, a body, and a conclusion. That's worth 8 summative points. The personal culture project, which is 5 traits of culture. So you have your family, customs and traditions, language, technology, and music. That is worth 20 points. That's a 1 sheet. So if you haven't put it on a 1 sheet, take your information and put it on a 1 sheet and submit it properly so I can give you those points. And the country project part 1 is 30 points. If when it was graded you missed things, look at the rubric. Every single detail of what you may have missed will be in that rubric. You can improve if you got less than 30 points. I will give you more points if you improve. Country project 2 is culture. That's worth 25 points. Again, remember this, you are creating a website as an expert in that country. You are not just writing questions and answers. If someone landed on your website, it should be interesting and complete to read. So keep that in mind. In culture, use a lot of pictures. Explain the culture traits. Don't just tell me they have a particular dish of food they eat. Tell me, what does that include? Are those products things that are grown in the country or national products? So be as thorough and complete as you possibly can. So Thursday and Friday, we're going to launch part 3 of the country project. That's going to be economics. And we are going to work on the information sheet for your economic profile of your country. That's going to be for 2 days. So today is the day you need to catch up because tomorrow and Friday, you'll have another assignment. Please make wise choices today. Identify what you need to complete and then complete it. I will meet with you tomorrow. We'll get launched on the economic part of the country project, and anything else that you may need help with, I can meet with you on a one-on-one basis. Don't send me an email asking what you need to do to get your grades up. You need to figure that out. You're in high school. You've got this. This is listed in your grades, so you look and see what you need to do to get your grades up. I want you to have a great day. I want you to work hard. And if you're all caught up on your summatives and you have your grade, make sure that you have written the paragraph about globalization that we did on Monday. We read out loud in our WebEx, and you can write your opinion based on those 5 pros and 5 cons that you wrote down. I know there's going to be a great day ahead of you in all of your classes. You got to stay focused and make it happen. Have a really great day.